easy ways to eliminate your credit card debt. Imagine a life where your credit card debt doesn't weigh you down. Intrigued? You're just a few steps away from this new reality. Join us as we explore easy-to-understand methods, set to relaxing music, to help you break free from debt. Credit card debt can quickly spiral out of control. High interest rates and minimum payments trap many in an endless cycle. Understanding how credit card debt works is the first step to conquering it. Let's simplify the complexities, making it easier to grasp and manage. Budgeting is your roadmap to financial freedom. Start by listing monthly income and expenses to determine your spending capacity. Identify non-essential costs and cut back. Allocate specific amounts to pay down debts, setting realistic goals that allow you to stick to your budget comfortably. Facing multiple debts? Prioritize them to tackle efficiently. Focus on high-interest debts first to reduce overall interest. Alternatively, the snowball method motivates you by quickly paying off small debts. Choose the plan that best fits your financial situation and stick to it for success. Avoiding common mistakes is essential. Resist the urge to use credit cards for unnecessary purchases. Pay more than the minimum payment whenever possible. Don't fall for the trap of transferring balances without a solid payoff plan. Stay committed to your debt elimination journey. If debt feels overwhelming, seek help from a credit counselor. They offer tailored advice and strategies to manage debt efficiently. Professional guidance can transform your approach, providing peace of mind and a clearer path to financial health without additional stress. A debt-free future requires sustainable financial habits. Plan for emergencies by saving a small amount regularly. Continue to monitor expenses and adjust your budget as needed. Embrace a responsible credit usage mindset that prioritizes your long-term financial wellness over short-term gains. Your journey to eliminate credit card debt starts today. Embrace these strategies with commitment and perseverance, and reclaim your financial freedom. Break free from the shackles of debt and take control of your future. Subscribe and join us for more empowering financial tips. Your debt-free life awaits.